Enoki, chestnut mushroom, king oyster mushroom, all fruiting from the bag. Uncle Ben's Tech or Ben's Tech. Let me show you what it looks like inside. So a couple of weeks ago, I inoculated these bags. I just opened them up. This is chestnut. This is enoki, king oyster in there. I'm pouring in some water to the bags to let them rehydrate for a couple of hours. And then I'm going to put a little bit of substrate, a little bit of soil on top and leave them to fruit, put them into fruiting conditions. It amazes me that you can do this with something you haven't set. It's already sterile. You just go to the shops and buy it, inoculate the bag, and you can grow lots of different types of edible mushrooms straight from the bag or using bulk cultivation techniques. Stay tuned for more on how I do that.